Hi everybody, Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're unboxing Marie by Belle Tress and Butterbeer-R. Here is Marie. Let's go ahead and take her out of the box. I've not tried Marie on yet, so I'm pretty excited. I wanted to let you know on my head is Andy by Belle Tress and Butterbeer-R. She has braved the rainy weather with me today, so you can see she wears pretty good even when you're out in the weather. Here's Marie. She's really cute. She's part of the Luxe SE collection. So we'll go ahead and turn the cap inside out so you can take a look. This is the typical Luxe SE cap. It is about 3/4 hand tied, so you can see it has some closed wefting here in the back. That helps with stability, also helps to keep the price point down. It has the velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, the ear tabs with the metal stays. They have the polyurethane or silicone on the ear tabs, and then it has the full mono top, which is hand tied, and the lace is extended all the way around the ear tabs. So we'll go ahead and put her on right out of the box so you can see what she looks like. Typically you do have to do a little bit of work to wake up the fibers, kind of make her your own, but we'll put her on, show you what she looks like, and then we'll go ahead and mess with her a little bit. And again, I apologize, this light is driving me crazy. Stay tuned. So here is Marie by Belle Tress and Butterbeer-R right out of the box. She does come with a center part, but again, you have the full mono top, so you have full parting flexibility. You can move that part anywhere you want to. I love this color, Butterbeer-R. It's a neutral, multi-dimensional blonde. Belle Tress does impeccable lace front. You can see the lace front on Marie is really, really nice, done well. And this has the Luxe SE fibers. They're really soft. I find they're really durable too. Again, Belle Tress is my favorite brand of all. That's what I wear all the time. But we'll go ahead and probably shake out the fibers a little bit to wake them up. Break the part. Usually I move my part just a little bit left, and then we'll show you what she looks like. Stay tuned. And we're back. So here is Marie by Belle Tress. I shook out the cap a little bit. I broke up the part, moved it a little bit to the left. Belle Tress fibers, they respond really well to heat. This is really cute. I like the loose kind of shattered waves, but just be aware, and I don't know if this is just on the one I'm trying or not, but Marie does have some curls or waves that are going a couple of different directions, so that's something that I'll probably work on a little bit more before I actually wear it. Some people like that look. I don't really like when the waves are going different directions, especially this piece here. I'll probably take a round brush and redirect this. You can a little bit with your hands if you get a Marie that has these multi-directional waves, but she's really cute. This is kind of similar to Nottingham that I wear a lot actually. Again, this one would be really cute for an updo, half up, half down, because you do have the face framing layers here. You can pull these down. And she's really cute. With the layers and with the wave pattern too, I think you can really dress up Marie. I'm actually going to, so this is Butterbeer-R, and Belle Tress has a new color. This is Biscotti Creme. I am going to bring her into the frame here. Not have the weird wave patterns. Oh, actually it does a little bit here. So it looks like by design she does have some curls that are coming on. Again, if you don't like that, you can hit it with a little bit of heat. But I did want to show you, this is Biscotti Creme. On my head, I have Butterbeer-R. We'll go ahead and do a side by side here. So the roots are, I'd say Biscotti Creme. The roots are a little bit lighter on that color. Otherwise, these colors are pretty similar. I would say. Biscotti is probably a little bit warmer. You can see that it does have some warmer tones, and it looks like it gets a little bit darker towards the ends here on Biscotti Cream. So on my head, I have Butterbeer-R. In my left hand, I have Biscotti Creme-R, and I'm also going to bring in my tried and true Nottingham. This poor thing, she really is about ready for, I don't want to say the trash because I love this thing so much, but I have worn her hard. This is Nottingham in Crushed Almond Blonde. So you have Crushed Almond Blonde, Butterbeer-R on my head, Biscotti Cream in this hand. So we'll take a look at the roots. And these two wigs here are brand new right out of the box. Again, Nottingham, she's been washed several times. I've restyled her several times, so the color may be a little bit faded, but let's take a look. So definitely the roots are darkest, I think, on Butterbeer. I think they're probably lightest. They're probably comparable, I think, to what you see on Crushed Almond Blonde R. Let's go ahead and turn these around here. Crushed Almond Blonde R is definitely a lot lighter than Biscotti Creme-R. And again, you do have some darkening of the color, especially at the ends of Biscotti. So give you another look here, the three colors. Crushed Almond Blonde, Butterbeer on my head, Biscotti Creme-R here. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure that you reach out if you have any questions. We're always here to help, and visit us at Camille'sCrownCloset.com. Thank you.